Respected chief guests, Oxford Bookstore team, our esteemed author, and our vibrant and diverse audience. I, Isha Handa, would like to warmly welcome you all to this August gathering to celebrate the launch of this fabulous literary work by Dr. Hari Parameshwar, Many Paths, Many Answers. With this, we would like to start today's evening. Some names need no introduction. Yes, it's in the script. However, I would still like to formally introduce and welcome our eminent chief guests for the evening. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our chief guest for today, Justice Shivraj V. Patil. Justice Patil, Mona, would you please state the judge at Gulbarga, and had a unique distinction of serving as a lecturer in a college where he had studied law. He was made honorary principal of the same college in 1975. Later, in 1979, Mr. Patil moved to Bangalore, where he started practice as a High Court advocate. Further, he had served the judiciary in various positions like High Court Judge, Chief Justice of High Courts, and Judge of the Apex Court of India. He retired as Judge of Supreme Court in 2005. Justice Shivraj Patil was appointed member of the National Human Rights Commission by the central government the same year and rose to be the acting chairman of the commission in 2007. Shri Patil is an eloquent speaker and has delivered lectures at many important centers of law and learning across India and also in various international forums. He is recipient of various awards and citations of honor, like the Honorary Doctorate by Gulbarga University, National Law Day Award, Vinayashri, Sharanashri Puraskar, to name a few. Please put your hands together for Justice. The familiar face on the dais is Vani Ganapati ji. Vani began her journey in classical dance at the age of 4, and she is amongst the top Bharatanatyam dancers in India today. Vani ji has performed in various classical dance programs in several countries across the world. She runs a dance school under the name Sanchari, where she trains a lot of enthusiastic and dedicated youngsters. She had profound interest in interior decoration, where she has also been a remarkable success. She is one of the core committee members of BPAC, and she leads the cultural and tourism arm of BPAC as well. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Shri Vani Ganapati. Airports. Please put your hands together for Mr. Nair. Shri Nair has held several senior positions such as Airport Director of Trivandrum, Mumbai and Delhi Airports, Executive Director of Cargo, full-time board member of Airports Authority of India, etc. At GMR Group, he has held the position of CEO of Hyderabad International Airport and CEO of Delhi International Airport Limited before becoming the CEO of GMR Airports Holding Limited. Thank you, Mr. Nair. We also have certain other esteemed guests here in the audience today. Shri A.N. Chandramouli. Shri A.N. Chandramouli is the Managing Director of Starag India. Mr. Mouli is also the Chairman of Quality Circle Forum of India and Senior Vice President of Bangalore Chamber of Industries and Commerce. He has served as the Managing Director, Cooper Busman, MD and CEO of Lap Cables, CEO Makino India, etc. Mr. Mouli is well known for his spiritual approach in corporate governance. We also have here Shri J.N. Bhavani Prasad. Please put your hands together. Shri Bhavani Prasad is the former Director General of Works, Government of India, an electrical engineer with a master's degree from the Indian Institute of Science. Mr. Prasad went on to become the Director General of Works, Government of India. He is also well known for environmental and community activities and had been the chairman of the Delhi chapter of the ISLE. Thank you, sir. I'd also like to welcome Shri A.N. Sadashivaya. Sir is a renowned environmentalist and former have Shri Mathura Kalauni. Sir is the founder of Kalayan, a group that has positioned itself as one of Bangalore's most important theatre organizations, which is engaged in producing quality plays for the last 25 years. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for this esteemed guest list. Mr. Sandeep Maini, India's popular electric car Reva. He is one of India's very popular innovative thinkers and also an environmental crusader whose solar revolution initiatives have reached many Indian villages as well. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Sir. Mona. Yes, and last but not the least, I would like to welcome Dr. Hari Parmeshwar, the author of today. We haven't forgotten you, sir. Dr. Hari Kumar Parmeshwar is a seasoned and versatile top management professional with an eventful career studded with brilliance in the areas of corporate management, airport planning, infrastructure development, people management, and organizational development. An engineering graduate with an MBA in operations management, an MPhil in human resources, and PhD in business administration, Hari is currently the Vice President of the Bangalore International Airport. He is part of management committees and subcommittees of various industrial bodies such as BCIC, CII, PMA, FMZ, etc. He is also a renowned environmentalist and a sustainability expert whose campaign on environmental best practices has been recognized many times in India and abroad. He is a well-known behavioral life coach, yoga expert, corporate spiritualist, and advocate on New Age philosophy. He has conducted several workshops and development programs for corporates and university students in various management and spiritualistic topics. His thoughts on emotional well-being of employees in corporate environment are sought after in various forums by industry leaders and experts. Hari is a single parent to his two children, Prajit and Harshita. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Hari.